We are here with a 90 horse Evinrude unboxing, brought to you by Neil over there, Andy over here. We're gonna see what's inside. Here we go. I got this awesome snap-on tool here that works good for box cutting. So you send it over to your partner Neil. Okay. Boom. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's like this more. Oh, come on. Good. Let's fold this way. Ta-da! There she is.
There she is. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Evinrude 90. What do you got over there, Neil? What do you got? You got some battery cables? Grab the manual. See what they got.
We got steering arm.
Okay.
Looks like a rigging tube. Some prop hardware.
Yep, your prop hardware, your rigging tube is in here. And that's your steering arm.
Yep, that's it.
That's it. Here's your, I'm not gonna start, good luck pulling your rope. Because your electric start doesn't work anymore so you don't get stranded. It's good that they give you one of them because you'll never use it, but that's okay, you get one. It's a good thing. So there's that. Comes with your rigging tube. Through hull or through cowl, rigging tube, some clamps, some little rubber things for your mounting bolts, which probably doesn't come with.
No mounting bolts.
Does come with prop hardware, no propeller,
No prop.
just prop hardware. You get your thrust washer, your nut, your spacer, and your cotter key. And then you get
Your beautiful literature.
your literature. And inside this operator's guide for the 40, 50, 65, 60, 75, and 90, you learn about your Evinrude E-TEC 90. But there it is, that's what you get. There's not much in there. It's a motor, some battery cables, some rigging stuff, and a pull rope that says get home on it. That's about it. But there it is, there's your 90 Evinrude E-TEC. That's what comes in your crate when you buy one.
We are mounting the 90 that we had unboxed under this lovely War Eagle boat. Right now I'm going to plug in the harness, main engine harness. First I gotta fish all the little ends through. We have to remove the side cowling, this side. And remove their 5 million bolts to hold on the side cowling. Plugging the harness in. Now it's time to, well, we're gonna put the shift and throttle cables in. Hook them up. Just installing the cables, shift throttle, putting the tension bracket on there so they don't pop out. And I'm just gonna hook the main battery cables up so I can trim it. Basically, you see I already hooked up all this stuff, the cables, the harness. I'm gonna hook some gas to it, and then we're going to hook up the computer to it, and we're just gonna run it for a little bit, and then just to kind of give you the full unbox, mount, run. And then after that, I have some steering that has to be installed on it. And then I got to reinstall all the side cowlings and the lid, and you know, I got to put a battery tray and all that stuff, but I got stuff on order, so that'll be it. Clean up the mess, they can come pick it up. Just gonna grab the tractor and move this boat out of the way, and then we'll hook up to this boat, pull it forward, hook the water up to it, hook the computer up to it, and we'll run it for a little bit.
What are we doing, Neil?
Just checking the gear oil, make sure there's some in here.
Here we go. I'm looking here at what looks like this was on here at one time. Here, yeah, and these have been worked, and we've inserted an adapter plate now. We unboxed it like this, mount it. What's going on here? How do we have worked bolts on a brand new motor? Question, answer, comment below. Make Andy happy. Thank you.
What are you doing now?
Just plugging the computer in, making sure there's nothing on there. Make sure it's in break-in. See what oil that they did plug it in for.
What are your thoughts?
It's an Evinrude. Everything looks good. She's set for everything that's supposed to be set for. She's all installed. Everything on the computer basically set up correctly. It's set up for remote. It's set up for TCW3 or XD50. It's still in break-in, so that's good. It had no faults, no errors, no nothing. I mean, it's brand new, but you never know. That's why you gotta hook up the computer, make sure there's no problems. But other than that, she ran good. She pumped good water. Time to button her up and clean it up and get it ready to go